I'm going to pull down the fire alarm. Yay! I pulled the fire alarm. Oh no! It's the principal.
Dark Bloodstone Koopa. How dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. You are so suspended for 9 days. Go home now while I call your parents. Hello. Dark Bloodstone Koopa's parents. Your son Dark Bloodstone Koopa pulled the fire alarm at school and got suspended for 9 days. Can you ground him? Okay. Goodbye.
Dark Bloodstone Koopa. How dare you pull the fire alarm at school and got suspended for 9 days. That's it. You are grounded for 6 days.
Go to your room right now.
What?